Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. In this video, I am going to start another lesson from your main textbook. But before I start the lesson, as usual, let me ask you one simple and easy question. Are you confident? Do you have confidence on you? If you have a confidence on you, then comment in the comment section yes. But why do you have confidence on you? Are you a supermodel? Are you a superhero? What is it, that qualification which made you to think that you are a confident person? People we talk about, right? Self-confidence. Then what is this self-confidence? Of course, we know what is confidence. Having control over ourselves in all the situations, keeping ourselves cool, calm and composed. But what is self-confidence? If you know the answer, don't forget to comment in the comment section below. I'll be waiting for your answer in the comment section. Now, why did I ask you this question is, confidence or self-confidence is the most important ingredient in our life everybody should have to lead a happy and successful life. People without confidence, people without knowing about their capability may not lead a successful life like those people who have understood their capacity and qualities. So self-confidence plays a very important role to make our life happy and successful. Now, why I told all these things to you is that the name of this lesson which I am going to start, in fact it is a kind of a conversation between two people, and the name of the lesson is On the Face of It, written by Susan Hill. So before you read, this is a play featuring as an old man and a small boy meeting in the farmer's garden. The old man strikes up a friendship with the boy, who is very withdrawn and defiant. What is the bond that unites the two? So the first scene begins in the garden of Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb is called as Lamby Lamb because he has a tin leg. He has lost his leg during a war, and people make fun of Mr. Lamb as Lamby Lamb. But Mr. Lamb took everything in a very sportive way, in a very positive way, and he is a very confident person. And the another character in the story is Derry. Derry is a very young boy, but he lacks confidence. Acid fall on his face, one side of his face got burnt and he became very ugly, and that is the reason why he lacks confidence and he doesn't want to mingle with others. So Derry entered into Mr. Lamb's garden thinking that nobody is in the garden, but when Mr. Lamb noticed the presence of Derry, Derry got shocked and Derry wanted to go away from the garden. But Mr. Lamb spoke to Derry in a very positive way and in a very friendly way and encouraged Derry in so many aspects. But still Derry has a doubt that nobody likes him because he looks very ugly. But Lamb explained him the other side of the life. Beauty is just only one aspect in life. Without looking beautiful also, people can become successful and people can become live happy life in this world. But even after listening to Derry, listening to Mr. Lamb, still he has so many doubts in his mind. So in the conversation between Derry and Lamb explained so many things to Derry and how to remain positive in life. So if you want to read the entire conversation, read this play. It is a wonderful play which portrays or which shows about how a confident person can change other people. See, Mr. Lamb also has a problem. He has a tin leg, but still he leads a very happy and successful life because he thinks in a confident way. The same thing is not present in the life of Derry, and that is the reason why Derry suffers from lack of confidence and he believes that nobody likes him in this world. So when the conversation took place between Mr. Lamb and Derry, Mr. Lamb told so many positive things. He motivated Derry and he changed Derry a little, and he asked Derry, Mr. Lamb asked Derry to help him to pick the crab apples, but he told him to take permission from his mother. When Derry returned home and when he requested his mother to give him permission to go back and meet Mr. Lamb and to help Mr. Lamb, his mother was not happy and his mother was not ready to allow him. So there is a little argument between Mr. Derry and his mother, and finally Derry convinced his mother and returned to Lamb's garden. But before Derry returned to Lamb's garden, what happened? Mr. Lamb wanted to pluck the crab apples, and he took the ladder and he climbed the ladder, and when he was plucking the crab apples from the tree, he slipped and he fell from the ladder and he died. But when Derry returns to Mr. Lamb's garden, Derry went and tried to wake Lamb up, but Derry came to know that Lamb was no more. So here the story ends. This is a very simple story or a play written by Susan Hill. It is one of the best plays to be understood, because if we have confidence in life, whatever problems comes in our life, we can face those problems without any kind of fear and without any kind of hesitation. So if you see Mr. Lamb and if you observe Mr. Derry, though Lamb is also having a physical deformity and a physical problem, but he is living a life with full of confidence and he is happy. But in the same, if you see at Derry, though Derry is having only problem of half of his face got burnt, but he feels that his life has no meaning and his life has no purpose, and he strongly believes that everybody dislike him. But that is not actually the reason. It is in the mind of Derry that the whole world hates him. But in real life it is not like that. So what we think is most important. If we think that we are good, we are happy, we are confident, and if we believe that everybody likes us, then automatically we feel confident. In this play, we all have to understand that confidence is the key for success and happiness. We should always think like Lamb, who in spite of having so many problems also, he is living a happy life and a content life. If we think in a negative way, it will lead into a lot of unnecessary problems and psychological problems also. These things we have to learn from this play On the Face of It, written by Susan Hill. Now you read the entire play, read the conversation between Mr. Lamb and Mr. Derry, and understand how positive Mr. Lamb and how negative Mr. Derry. So Derry is a teenage boy like you, maybe hardly 14 or 15 years or maybe 16 years age, but he believes that his life has completely over. He has no future in life, but it is not correct. We should never think in a negative way, because if we think only negative way, then we don't think about our positive side and our good qualities in our life. We should focus on those qualities in that part of life where we are strong and where we are good. Nobody is born or nobody is gifted with 100% best qualities or the best physique in this world. We should think about in those areas where we are good at, and we should improve those areas or in those areas so that we can also become better in our life. So these things we have to learn from this play On the Face of It, written by Susan Hill. So this is about the summary of the lesson or play On the Face of It, written by Susan Hill. Now read the questions and find the answers from the given play. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And always remember, stay home, stay safe, and stay strong. Take care. Thanks for watching this video. If you have come to the end of this video, I believe that you are interested to watch a few more videos related to the topic. So now you can check this out video or watch this one. Click this video, it will take you into another video.